Good morning. How are you? I hope you guys are doing great today. I am doing fabulous. My hair looks fabulous. My nails, they're right. Today I'm about to head to going on a date. So I'm super excited. Going on a date. How do I look? Do I look cute? Do I look fly? I have not ate, so I might turn into a beast in about, let's say like 3 hours. 3 hours tops. So I'm definitely gonna have to stop at Starbucks and get some coffee. You know what's crazy? I'm just like not used to Dunkin' Donuts no more, because they never had Dunkin' Donuts in LA. Like they don't have that in LA at all. They have Starbucks on every corner. Starbucks or Pete's Coffee. Is it Pete's Coffee? It's something. I can't remember exactly which one it was, but it was something like that. I never went to Pete's though. But it's actually really hard for me to even order coffee from Starbucks. Like I'm not that good at it. So I should actually look up some like Starbucks orders, right? I should do that, because you could just do it, because you know they got secret menus and all of that stuff. So I should just look something up, because I be sitting here like, oh yeah, like 1 pump of something and then I get it and it's hella bitter. But yeah, I'm going to a museum today. I'm actually going to 2. The first one I'm going to is it's at the Museum of Sex, and it's like an interactive museum. So I'm really excited about that, because I get to like do stuff and have fun. And then the second one, I'm not sure exactly how it is, but I know what it looks like from TikTok. And supposedly it's supposed to be raining today. And you know, I just did my hair. This is partially my hair, so I'm like not excited about that, because every time I do my hair it rains. And I know I'm not the only one who feels that way. Every time a girl gets her natural hair done, it rains. That is not okay. But other than those 2 things of me not eating and me not having an umbrella because it's gonna rain, I'm gonna have a great day today, because I said so. That's why. I'm headed there now. I'll see you guys when I get there. I just finished the museums in Soho, so it was a great time today. It's still daylight, which I'm excited about, so I can get some pictures. It was so hot in that freaking museum. Jeez, look how pretty I look. Hold on, I gotta get my selfies. Hold on. I'm about to go get some food. Thank you, sir. Wait, you guys, look at this. So my phone is on 10%. Oh my god. It's not working. Oh, there you go. You seen it open? Period. I'm about to go to a restaurant. I am so dehydrated. Like, when I say dehydrated, I'm so thirsty. I need water like now. It's because I drank that I drank a coffee. I had a blonde vanilla latte and it was gross. It tastes like, I told y'all I don't know how to order from Starbucks, but it really tastes like, it just tastes so strong. Starbucks coffee is so strong, like I can't take it. This whole vlog is just about Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Like, you don't remember that hookah lounge down there? I'm going to get some food, get some water, and I'm going to get some hookah. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. I'm trying to think about what I'm gonna order. I probably order some pizza because they got pizza where I'm going. They got a little bit of everything. It's like Mediterranean food. They got pizza on like flatbread and stuff. Anyway, so I'll see y'all then. So guys, I just left the restaurant, even though I didn't eat anything. I didn't eat shit at the restaurant, but it's because I ate at Starbucks earlier and I ate a lot. I'm not that hungry right now, but I'm about to go to another restaurant. So, and actually I'm not even, it's a restaurant, I guess you can say, but I'm not gonna eat there because I don't eat there. Yeah, I'm in the city and I'm actually like walking through the city. I haven't done this in so long. So pretty. One day soon when it gets nicer outside, I'm gonna go on the city bikes. And oh, they're right here. I didn't even see that. I'm getting on them bikes. I'm gonna be like Meek Millie in these streets. Deadass, I'm getting on. But that's when it get nice. It's kind of cold. It's cold, but it's like doable. I'm taking a little stroll. Maybe I'll vlog when I get to the other location. I can't promise you because it'd be a lot of people there and it'd be too many people watching. You know how people get when they see you with a camera? They be like, what's going on? She's vlogging, and they always stare, especially little kids. But I'm gonna try to vlog when I get home, but if not, because I can't promise, y'all know how I get. Wait, hold on, there's too many people. When I get home, I'll just check in. If not, tomorrow. With the small pack. Y'all, I'm blind, so I have to get some eye drops. I'm going blind. Like, really? Wait. Should I get these ones? This one says lubricant and redness reliever. Which one? Which one do you think I should get? I like this brand though. Where is it? I like this brand and this brand, but they don't have the little one. Multi lubricant. Well, how much is this? Or this hydration boost. Look at this price, y'all. Are they crazy? And that's only because we're in Manhattan. How is this $30? I might just have to be blind tonight. Be blind. This one is CVS video. Why is it so big? Great for on the go. Oh, these are little packs. Pack in the mail is gone. Hey guys, I'm at this museum right now. It's called the One Vanderbilt, and it is ridiculous. We are higher than the Empire State Building. What? This is crazy. Oh, this will be a cute nail fee. I gotta take a nail fee here. It's literally so cute. We gotta wear these little booty things on our shoes, I guess, so we don't mess up the mirrors. Of course, there will be scratches everywhere. It is hot because the mirrors are reflecting off of each other, so it's like a lot of sun. They give you sunglasses, which is so funny. Let's go check it out. This girl doesn't believe that I am Miss Aaliyah J. I don't know why.
Nah,
I look like her. I talk like her.
No, where's my phone?
She's literally here cracking up because she doesn't believe.
It's not her. She's lying.
She really thinks I'm lying.
Okay, No.
She wants, and then she wants me to show her my phone, to show her my Instagram. So now I gotta whip out my phone. You really don't believe me?
Stop.
I'm like, let's take a picture. She like, bye, girl.
No, don't tell them that she's lying. No.
They're serious. Look, girl. It's really me.
I'm sorry.
You are so funny. What's your name?
Meryl. Can I take a picture of my sisters?
Of course.
So jealous. Thank you so much. Hi guys. I believed her. I just didn't.
No, you literally made this whole vlog. Thank
you.
you.
So much for visiting us today.
Have a good day, babes.
Thank you.
You guys, that was so much fun. I knew well, I didn't know so many people in there. People knew me. I had so many supporters in there. So now I'm about to, I don't really care for my hair, but you know, it's gonna have to work. So I'm gonna go to 42nd Street and just like walk around. I haven't been to the city in so long. So I wanna just drive in the city, explore, feel good. It's a Friday, you know? So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna go get some food and some hookah. You know me. And then, yeah. And the titties, the girls is outside today. Hey guys, so the whole time I'm trying to not get lip gloss on my mask to where it be all over my face. I hate it. Like, it's so annoying. But I'm on my way to this like hookah lounge. Today's a cute day, a cute Friday, you know. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to my destination.